How to make Pikachu. Start with Bamboo XO, Rum Chata Limon, pineapple juice, lemon juice, and cream of coconut. Garnished with cherries for his cheeks and lemons for his ears. He's the GOAT. How to make Charizard. Start with Fireball, whiskey, orange carousel, ginger syrup, and lemon juice. Add in orange soda, rum 151, and ignite. Nintendo's favorite. How to make Gengar. Start with vodka, sour cherry schnapps, blueberry schnapps, and lemon juice. Top with Purple Thunder and garnish with cherries. The best ghost Pokemon. How to make Blastoise. Start with citron vodka, coconut rum, blue carousel, tequila, ocean lemonade, and Coke. The best water type. How to make Venusaur. Begin with fresh mint, strawberry vodka, melon liqueur, blue carousel, and lime juice. Finally, garnish with a strawberry. Still the best grass starter.